Hey guys, so I'm Paula, and for today, I'll be using my native language Filipino for this fragrance review. And yes, this is actually the first time I'm filming a perfume review while revealing my face. So medyo kabado, pero let's go. I'm not sure if everyone knows this already. This is Cherry in the Woods by Aurora Scents. Medyo marami na rin akong nakikita na nagre-review ng pabango na to. Pero this time, I'll share my experience. So ito yung take ko. Ito yung cherry fragrance na super bright and juicy. Para siyang may sparkling vibe na may hint ng apple, hint ng citrus. Yung feeling na para kang kumagat ng malamig na prutas sa ilalim ng araw. Fresh, napaka-playful ng amoy niya, pero bigla siyang nawawala. Or, hindi ko lang alam kasi galing ako sa sakit. Nagiging airy siya, yun. May naamoy akong floral na parang rose na may berries. Hindi siya overpowering pero nakaka-addict yung amoy niya. Yung akala mo playful lang siya, bigla siyang magiging creamy na may, alam ko may vanilla to eh. Vanilla and tonka. Hindi ko alam yung complete notes niya. Ipopost ko na lang sa comment. Pero ang alam ko may vanilla and tonka siya. Naamoy ko. Yung mga favorite na notes ko sa isang scent, feeling ko, andito lahat siya. As in, ang smooth niya, parang yakap na medyo sweet, medyo sensual, PBB teens. Pero alam niyo ba kung anong interesting? Is kung sino yung gumawa nito. Cherry in the Woods is made by Hamid Merati Kashani. The master knows behind some serious iconic creation. Yung perfumes ni Marley, Initio Parfums Bribes, including fragrance na Altair. Yung kulay brown na very famous. Ang dami nag-dupe. Yun. So yes, amoy mayaman talaga siya. Because of course, crafted by the same mind. Pero alam mo, Aurora just made it accessible. This fragrance is for everyday wear. Ito yung niche style fragrance na more approachable, yung pwede siya i-blind buy. Especially if you're not into cherry or not into vanilla or gourmand, that's a win. Kasi para sa akin, hindi ako nag invest ng sobrang mahal sa pabango unless gifted or maybe one time na deserve ko para sa sarili ko. Pero ako kasi yung tao na, ako yung fragrance content creator na nag-iintay ng ibang brands na gumawa ng mas affordable, ng mas, let's say, inspired, na mas mura. Yun na, mas mura. Kasi ang dami ko ng pabango. Bakit ako bibili ng mahal na pabango, 'di ba? Pwede naman ako maghintay ng Arab perfume brands na gagawa. I'm not against with other fragrance influencer, don't get me wrong. Pero that's my take. And yeah, I'll just post the notes sa comment, and this is day one. Day one lang to, pero for sure there'll be a lot of fragrance review na i-share ko yung experience ko. Makikita niyo yung mukha ko. Sana hindi kayo magsawa. As I always say, that's all. Sniff you soon.